guys, my name's Pete Marriage. I'm over in the UK, you might be able to tell. And let me tell you a little bit about how I got with Ion. Quite simply, I work during the day full-time over in the UK. I was looking for an extra income. I was looking for something that I could work in the evenings at my pace, and I came on board. I was a little bit worried, you know, I don't know anything about real estate. I don't know anything about funding, you know, loan brokering or anything like that. I know nothing about it. So how am I going to find all this out? Basically, there's a video for everything. If you're wondering what your journey is going to be with Ion, if you're wondering how you're going to, you know, where you're going to start, where it's going to go, how you follow through with things and that, it's all in the videos, guys. There's a video for every single thing you can possibly question or ask or wonder about. There's a video for it. Okay, there's tracking things so you can track your progress. There's places to put your customers. There's places for everything. Okay, it's all there. It's all there in the Ion tools. You'll get attached to an account executive. Mine, Dave Lewis, is absolutely brilliant. I just tell you a little bit about the deals or people that I've spoken to. From day one, I was bringing people into the business to, you know, who wanted funding. I was connecting with them very easily through the organic methods that we use, that they teach. And I was having conversations. Now, not all of them work out because they don't fit our match. You know, that's life. But I did bring a couple to the table. We didn't quite get them through for one reason or another. Maybe the timing's right. I joined right bang when COVID was there. So it got worse for funding, basically, as you can imagine. The lenders didn't want to lend, but we're all up and running again now. But there's still stuff going on during that. Now, I've got one going through at the moment that we're actually working on that is right nearly there. We're just waiting for an offer to come back on it. And I just got pipped to the post a couple of weeks ago on one that it was a $2.3 million deal. I'm looking to do this full time. That's my ultimate aim. I love the company. I love the people in the company. You know, they're incredible guys and girls, and I would love to be working with them full time. So that's my aim. Do I recommend this company? 100 million trillion %. 100 million trillion %, guys. If you're looking for something and you just want the support, because it's very difficult when you're setting out. It's your business, remember. You're running a business. If you're setting out you're looking for support, you've got it all the way, guys. Honestly. So I would not hesitate to get in there and get started, because if you do exactly what you say, you will be get going from day one. You'll be talking to people, I promise you. So happy days. Enjoy your journey with Ion, because it really is going to be a great one.